Hey friends, I hope this finds you well. I am super excited. Jessie Jean's Secret Stash on Facebook has a new box. So I am really excited to open it up and share it with you guys. So this is something you can find in the shop. And it's a specially curated box for the Secret Stash group. So super excited. Love that they put my name on the front. So let's see what we've got. So we've got some beautiful, I don't know if you can see that, artistic wire. So I've never used kind of the wrapped wire like that. This abalone shell beads. How beautiful are these? This lovely tan and blue bead strand. So fun, so fun. So many fun, very beachy feel to this box that they created for me. Now this is an oldie. These are some really old tags. I love that they're using some of the stuff they have around and curating these fun boxes. So this strand of blue and green crystals, so pretty. And then some really fun pendants. This one is so pretty. Look at that. How beautiful. Whoop. How beautiful is that? Or it can be on a bracelet. It has a hook on both sides. So exciting. And then this fun one. Look at that. And how pretty is that little crystal in the middle? So pretty. And then this seashell, very beachy type of theme. So if you haven't gotten a Secret Stash box yet, these are so fun. And then this is my Tennessee Mountain Home. So an extra from the Dollywood Magical Mystery Box. Can't wait. How fun is that? And this, so beachy. This is a Bermuda one. See those starfishes and seashells and all this yummy goodness. There's this is so heavy. And then this lovely leather cord. So I'm excited. I see something beachy in my future. So I'm excited to share that this bead haul with you guys. And you can find this is called the Secret Stash box. You can find that in the store. So excited for this new product. So make sure you head out and get yourself a Secret Stash box, and they'll curate it with some fun things.